Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, Northern San Diego County in Southwestern California, until 4:45 p.m. PDT. At 1:52 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Enza, Highway 74 between Enza and Palm Desert, Highway 79 between Oak Grove and Agenga, Highway 74 between Mountain Center and Enza, Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, Palomar Mountain, Agenga, Cahuilla Indian Reservation, Oak Grove and Santa Rosa Mountain. Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Ventura County in southwestern California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Lockwood Valley area. Rainfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour has been estimated by radar. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly along Lockwood Valley Road. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lockwood Valley, turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Arroyos, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Service in Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Ventura County in southwestern California, eastern Santa Barbara County in southwestern California, until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the far western Lockwood Valley and along Highway 33 close to the Santa Barbara County line. Radar precipitation estimates were up to 1 inch per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include western Lockwood Valley, Vetulcopa, and Highway 33 from Lockwood Valley Road to the Santa Barbara County line. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Arroyos, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for South Central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6:30 p.m. PDT. At 3:37 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly or is already occurring along roads with Antwerpine and Palms. Some locations that will experience flooding include 29 Palms, 29 Palms Basin, 29